Welcome to the OpenText and CCA Executive Fireside Chat Series, Modernise Without Compromise. I'm Margie Dine, Client Executive at CCA Software, and Joshua here from OpenText joining me. Josh, would you like to introduce yourself?
Thanks, Margie. My name's Joshua Wiles, and I look after channel, alliances and distribution for OpenText across all of our solution portfolios in Australia and New Zealand. And it's great to be able to do this series with CCA, one of our valued partners.
Before we get into this series, it's worth briefly introducing who our organisations are and why we're having these conversations together. CCA Software is a software product and solution provider with deep heritage in mainframe data technologies. CCA brings more than 40 years of experience in mainframe technology and over 20 years of helping organisations unlock, replicate and synchronise data in real time across their legacy and modern platforms, including those pesky mainframes.
OpenText. Well, OpenText is a global leader in enterprise cybersecurity, data protection and information management. OpenText helps organisations discover, protect and control sensitive data through capabilities such as encryption, tokenisation and policy-driven governance. However, beyond cybersecurity, the broader OpenText portfolio also spans enterprise content management, AI, DevOps and observability platforms that support some of the world's largest organisations. Together, CCA and OpenText bring complementary strengths to one of our biggest challenges organisations face today: how to modernise critical systems while maintaining security, stability and control.
Many enterprises are under pressure to accelerate transformation, unlock data for analytics and AI, and deliver more value from existing platforms. But they need to do that without creating new risk. And that's where this conversation starts. Because the real issue often isn't the legacy technology itself. Many of these systems still run the core of the business extremely well. The bigger challenge is how organisations securely access, govern and protect the data inside those environments as they connect to cloud, analytics and AI initiatives. Throughout this series, we'll look at how organisations can unlock legacy data in real time, protect sensitive information at the edge, reduce the risk of uncontrolled data movement, and take a lower risk, more incremental path to modernisation. We'll also explore topics like secure replication, encryption and tokenisation, compliance and sovereignty, breach mitigation, and what it really takes to build safe foundations for AI. Across this series, you'll hear from a range of experts, bringing different perspectives across cybersecurity, data protection, enterprise architecture, and transformation. The goal is to make these conversations practical, strategic, outcome-focused, and most importantly, actionable.
I couldn't agree more, Margie. We want to help leaders think differently about how to modernise without disruption. So tune in each week for a new episode as we unpack the challenges, the architecture patterns, and the real-world outcomes that matter most.